What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. You join me in a completely different location. So I'm currently in the Radisson Blu in London as I've been invited out to Galaxy Unpacked with Snapdragon. So they invited me out, super late email, I just managed to get it sorted out, so I managed to get here. Absolutely can't thank them enough for inviting me out to Galaxy Unpacked. I got to see some amazing new devices in the new Fold 8, Fold 8 Ultra. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is absolutely stunning, but that Fold 8, the form factor, design and how you're going to use it is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to check it out more, hopefully when I get one in for review, so make sure you stay tuned for that. What did I bring with me for Galaxy Unpacked? Let's get into it. So I've got my lanyard from Galaxy Unpacked. This will be coming home with me. The phone that I bought with me was my S26 Ultra in the Kadabi sheet case with Magsafe. But of course I've got my S26 Ultra in shady silver and it's absolutely stunning. I mean, I didn't see many people using the silver device yesterday around the event. I've seen them using the purpley coloured one, the ultraviolet. Seen a lot of people using that one and a couple of blue ones kicking about, but didn't see anyone using really silver shadow. But I slapped it in the Kadabi sheet case, and I did bring the Arc Pulse with me just in case I fancied a bit of a change. 26 Ultra was a device that I used around the event yesterday, and the footage that you're seeing with the devices, it's all shot on this device to have with me. The Osmo Action. Now, I did bring this to the event as a snapshot for me, just to use this. So it's nice to walk around and just have something small, inconspicuous, but I don't think it really matters. There was tons of cases there yesterday. Got a couple of selfies with some of them. I did have this with me. Didn't really take it out all that much as I was using my phone more than anything. So I didn't really bring that around the event with me much as I was using my phone really. Bit redundant, but obviously while I'm in the room I have been using it to film a couple of bits here and there. What I'm using right now to film this video, I'm using the Pocket 4. So I've been using this for a little while. Absolutely love this thing. I was going to take it with me yesterday, but then I didn't want to carry too much around with me. I did leave this in the room and it's been filming some videos similar to this one. But as you can see, because of the light, I'm having to use the window from outside for the natural light and the background light here too. Pocket 4, amazing device. Absolutely love it. I will leave links to all this stuff in the description down below. This is what I used in the room to charge everything up, and it's this VoltMe charger. So I've been using this for a little while. It's got two USB-C PD chargers on the side. Works absolutely great, especially for charging two phones. And yeah, the VoltMe charger is what I've been using in the room, and I've been carrying this with me a lot. I mean, you can see from it, it's been absolutely scratched up to death while it's been in the bag. Absolutely love this thing. It charges both devices. It is what I've been using in the room, but it's not actually on right now. And that is the Pocket 4 Lite. So it clips on, and that's how you travel with it. But absolutely love this thing. It just sits on the back and acts like a little normal video light. Because we were going to be outside last night and in like certain lighting situations in the event, but then I didn't bring it with me. Next up again in the room is this guy. I absolutely love this thing, as you know, if you've seen videos in the past, but this is my Nintendo Switch 2. So I use this quite a lot, especially when like overnight you're lying in bed or you're sitting on the couch and you're like, fancy just playing something, you know, just get a little gaming session in. So I do carry the Switch 2 with me. I do want to pick up another Steam Deck, as I do miss the Steam Deck a lot. And I have got the PlayStation Portal, but I didn't bring that with me. Next up, something that I don't really talk about a lot on this channel. I have got another channel called Sense of Paul, and basically it's where I review aftershaves and stuff like that. So this is one I've been using recently. Melite Ethelix. It's absolutely, it's boozy, warm, seductive. Smells absolutely amazing. The pressure coming from this, absolutely stunning. The smell of this is so intoxicating. Like the opening of it is a bit strong, but once it dries down after about an hour, the smell is just so sweet and just so addicting. So Melite Ethelix, I'll try and leave a link to it in the description down below, but this is one that you should check out. They do plenty of other fragrances. If sweet's your thing, they do plenty of sweet. If strong's your thing, they do plenty of strong. Like there's one right now that I'm using called Money Talks, and it's absolutely unbelievable. The opening is just far too powerful, but then the dry down is just simply stunning. It's so elegant, it's unreal. Melite Ethelix is what I brought with me and what I used at the event. some Elite Athletics. We'll talk a bit about the bag. So this is what I had with me. This is the Spigen Life Bag. Absolutely love this thing. It's been on many trips with me already, and it's just literally a bag. It's just a normal bag, goes over the shoulder. It's got a fancy carabiner on the top right here with Spigen on it. It's really hefty, and nice shoulder strap. And then you've got multiple pockets. So you've got a front pocket, you've got a middle pocket with more pockets inside, and then a rear pocket. So if we go for the front right here, a lot of these things. So these are the Zeiss lens wipes. So I keep a lot of these with me, not only just to like wipe lenses and to clean my glasses, to also clean screens on phones. You know, they get grubby, like last night at the event. Like I was using the S26 Ultra. I don't know when you're going to be able to see that, but it is full of fingerprints, so I'll clean that later before we head out. Then I've got on the inside loop right here is my house keys with an Apple AirTag on them, and yeah, that's just my house keys. It is in an Orbit key Mickey Mouse organizer as well. I wanted to keep them nice and organised, so just 3 keys in there, but my house keys are in there attached to the inside, and yeah, you just close it up and it's absolutely perfect. But then when you open up the middle, you've got a ton of pockets inside the middle right here. And then next up is these. So these of course are my Rayban Metas. I had to bring them with me because I absolutely love these. As you know, if you watched the channel before, you know I absolutely adore these sunglasses. The fact they can capture photo and video. I can listen to music if I want to. No one can hear it outside. Just literally, it points down to your ears. And of course you can take phone calls. And people actually prefer me taking phone calls with these on than using my AirPods Pro. So these are my Rayban Metas. The Wayfarer version in the matte colourway. I didn't fancy the glossy version, so I got the matte ones. But I absolutely love these. I absolutely love them. And of course, powered by Snapdragon, who we're here with right now. Next up inside is my other phone, and it is the iPhone Air in the Arc Pulse case. So I did bring the Arc Pulse case for the S26 Ultra just to match it, but that's my iPhone Air. This is what I'm on full time at the minute, while I'm currently waiting for the 18 Pro Max to come out, or the Ultra. I'm not too sure just yet, but iPhone Air in the matte black. Absolutely love that thing. And then just in case I needed it last night, the Samsung Magsafe battery pack, because it literally cuts out and cuts around the cameras. I know a lot of people don't tend to like this all that much, but I absolutely love it, especially for the Samsung. Like, it just sits on, there's no rocking there anymore, because it's sitting on top of the camera. It charges, little light on the bottom, and of course if you're on like a train like I was coming down here, you can prop it up and watch your content. That's always nice too. Just in case I needed it, my Magsafe wallet with my driver's license and 2 bank cards in there and a bit of cash just in case. So this is on there as well. I can slap it to the back of the iPhone and just carry it around with me just in case I needed it, you know, for like ID and stuff like that. And then next up, of course, in the bag was this guy, the Plaud Note. So while we were at the keynote yesterday, basically I just switched this on, let it record, summarise for me, just in case I need to take any notes or I need it for some video work coming up. I've got it, I've got all the information that I need right here on the Plaud Note. In the Magsafe case, you can charge it on the bottom right here, but literally you just flip the switch down, hit record, and it summarises the entire meeting. Although it wasn't a meeting, it was of course the keynote. This works perfectly, and it summarised all the notes, and I've got it in case I do get any devices in, and I can give you guys all the details you need thanks to this guy. That last couple of pieces now is these guys right here, the Samsung Galaxy Buds4 Pro. Now obviously because I was using the Samsung and I transferred all my calls to the Samsung, I decided to use the Buds4 Pro. Absolutely epic device. A lot of people walking around with them yesterday, obviously with it being a Samsung event, but there was plenty of iPhones there too, plenty of Apple products kicking about. Did see a lot, but I did decide to go all out. Just go into the Samsung ecosystem with the Buds and the foam and the Magsafe battery pack. Buds4 Pro, vegan rugged armor case. Absolutely love them. And last but not least is this guy right here, the Dji Mic 3. Now I have got the small adapter that plugs into your phone, so I'm able to use this with my phone too and not go through Bluetooth because it's a bit janky, but I'm able to plug it in, use this with my phone too, and it's also connected to my Pocket 4 and my Osmo Nano. Let me know what you think of my carry for the Galaxy keynote. Was it too much? Was it just enough? Would you have bought anything else? Be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try and leave links to all the products I've used down below. Be my affiliate link, won't cost you guys any extra. Huge thank you to Snapdragon for having me out. Thank you to Samsung Mobile, and hopefully I'll be at some more in the future because this was absolutely fantastic. I did tweet a lot yesterday, Instagram stories. If you want to follow me, links are in the description down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.